In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print W-2 in QuickBooks. We'll walk through this in QuickBooks Online, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so your forms print cleanly and end up in the right hands. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in with access to payroll and that pop-ups are allowed in your browser since the form opens as a PDF. Once you're on the QuickBooks Online homepage, look to the left navigation panel and choose Taxes. This is your central hub for anything related to payroll filings and tax forms. If you manage multiple areas in QuickBooks, using the Taxes section keeps everything organized and ensures you're pulling official copies instead of reports that only summarize data. Inside Taxes, open the Payroll Tax tab. Depending on your view, you'll see options like Filings or Tax Forms. Both lead to the same place, your historical payroll forms. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. QuickBooks occasionally updates the interface. Just stay within the payroll tax area and look for where forms are filed and stored. Scroll to the section labeled Archived Forms or Filed Forms. This is where QuickBooks keeps the finalized versions you can print. Locate W-2, copies A and D, then choose the tax year you need. Selecting the correct year is crucial because W-2s are year-specific. The totals reflect the exact wages and taxes for that calendar year. Copies A and D are typically the employer copies. A is the Social Security Administration copy that's usually e-filed through QuickBooks, and D is for your records. So this archive is ideal for printing for your files or for reference. If you manage more than one company in your account, confirm you're in the right company before proceeding. Click View to open the W-2. The form will load as a PDF, often in a new browser tab. If nothing appears, check for a blocked pop-up notification and allow it. Give the file a moment to render, then zoom in and review totals for clarity and alignment. To print, use the printer icon within the PDF viewer so your system print dialog opens. Choose the correct printer, confirm letter paper size, and set scaling to actual size or fit to printable area if your margins are tight. If you prefer, click Download, save the PDF to a secure location, open it from your computer, and print from there. Saving a copy is a good habit for audit trails and team sharing. That's it, your W-2 is ready to go. Thanks for watching and keep your payroll filings organized by returning to this archive whenever you need a clean reprint.